Did gold's plunge today scare you all? The comment section was full of lamentations, and everyone in the background was asking me, is the bull market really over? Let me tell you, don't be frightened by the short-term panic. Today's drop is a concentrated release of emotions, not the underlying logic. Collapse, hurry up and pay attention. The following content is really important. It is really related to whether each of our pockets will be stocks or others this year. Why did it fall? 3 reasons. First, the expectations of interest rate cuts have been disappointed. The Fed's recent remarks are ambiguous, and can even be said to be hawkish, a solid hint that rate cuts may be delayed. Market confidence has been shaken. Second, oil prices soared. Inflation concerns return. 3, profit-taking escapes. It's rising too much in front. The funds in the market are either taking profits inside or just whip it out violently, into oil and gas. Due to the flight of main funds, the stop-loss order was hit. That is what everyone often calls the golden pit. This will create a panic logic of selling more as it falls. Stampede practice emerged. But does this mean the bull market is really over? Absolutely not. Let's take a look at the real underlying logic. How to repay America's $39 trillion debt. The global situation remains volatile. Have the geopolitical conflicts stopped? The situation in the Middle East remains tense. Old man wants to grab the block. Central banks around the world are still buying gold. The trend of de-dollarization remains unchanged. Gold's status as the ultimate safe haven asset never wavered. Today's plunge is not a trend reversal. It's a deep washout in the bull market. It's to wash away all the unstable chips. It is to accumulate strength for the next wave of rising prices. In the short term, the market will continue to fluctuate and bottom out. Just to torture people. Just to go sideways. Get you out. Grind people to grind you out. Let you cut the flesh. But you have to understand. Cutting meat now means using cheap chips. Give to others. Give you some operational suggestions. Try not to cut the flesh. Now is the lowest point of panic. To cut off the flesh is to give away the head. Of course I said try my best. You really can't bear it. Then feel free. Second, I want a one-time stud. Don't go full stocked to buy the dips. Let the bullets fly for a while. Wait for the market to stabilize. When a down-only signal appears, do it again. 3. Long-term holders need not panic. After this wave of decline is over, the market will only get stronger in the future, just like this spring. That's probably what it means. The world is becoming more chaotic. The higher the debt, gold is more valuable. Of course, the above is just my personal opinion, does not constitute any investment advice, but please believe that gold is not going to disappear. I was crushed by short-term emotions. Wait until the emotion passes. It's just a matter of time before the value returns.